So here's how to add anchor link on your Wix website. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the very end so you don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Wix account. Once you are logged into your Wix website account, now here you have to go to the dashboard or editor of your site. Then click on the add elements option at the top left corner. Now from this menu you have to simply go to the menu and anchor option. Once you click on it, now this drop down menu will appear. From this menu you have to simply click on the anchor option from left panel. After that, from the right panel you have to simply click on this video icon next to the anchor. Then you have to drag and drop this anchor link onto your website. Then here you have to change the name of your anchor link. To change the name, simply click on the backspace on your keyboard and then enter a new name that you want to add. You can also change the position of your anchor link. To change the location of your anchor link, you have to simply click on your page. Now you have to select the location where you want to keep it. So that's how to add anchor link on your Wix website.